Good afternoon, Mr. Hopkins, Mr. Lucas, faculty, parents, relatives, and the student body of Dunmore High School. My name is Victoria Griffiths, and I am the Senior Class Financial Secretary, and I would like to welcome you to the 2021 Miss Buck Assembly. During this afternoon's assembly, we will honor a prestigious title that is symbolic of Dunmore High School, our very own Miss Buck. Today we will see performances from our current Miss Buck, Isabella Zeller, along with Danielle Decker, our new Miss Buck for the 2021-2022 school year. Miss Buck is a prominent and influential role not only in the halls of Dunmore High School, but within the community as well. Miss Buck serves as a role model to countless young children because of the poise, talent, and grace with which she conducts herself. Being Miss Buck is not just a status symbol, but a responsibility. Miss Buck is responsible for assisting with the coordination of our wonderful field shows while also performing at football games, parades, and festivals. To start off today's assembly, our current Miss Buck, Isabella Zeller, will perform along with our outstanding candidate for Miss Buck.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there.
Amazing job, girls. It brings me great honor to introduce to you for the final time as Miss Buck, Isabella Zeller. Isabella has done a fantastic job representing every quality Miss Buck should possess. She was majorette captain her sophomore year, a feature twirler her junior year, and finally Miss Buck for the 2020-2021 school year. In addition, Isabella is a 4-year member of the French Club, Tact Club, and the basketball cheerleading team, where she held a co-captain position her senior year. She's also an avid member of the girls' tennis team, which she joined her sophomore year. Isabella is not only involved in school, but outside of school too. She participated in Tomorrow's Leaders Today her junior year, where she donated to nonprofit organizations and learned how to become a leader. She also holds a part-time job at Jerry's for All Seasons. Here's your current Miss Buck, Isabella Zeller.
Oh, I love it when you call me. Can we just take my horse for the walk I was searching for? So living things, knowing about you. 2, 3, 4.
We fell in love in summer, a little too wild for each other. Shiny till it wasn't, feels good till it doesn't.
I know life took us far away, but I still dream about the good old days when we took care of each other. We were living for each other. But
Nothing gonna save us now.
stop thinking about it. Let's go to. Can we just
It's my phone, you're a rush.
It's not hard to warm my head, then turn it up and throw it to the
I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but
Don't show up, don't come through, don't stop caring about me.
She's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. Makes you scream, press. Cardi don't need you. Good enough.
Ain't nobody tell me nothing.
Good enough. Watch it go. I got everything I wanted. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Some days you're the only thing I know, only thing that's burning when the
It's been
nights
so
go
much, you've been
cold.
going psycho. You ain't gotta say it, baby, I
Beg you to stay, beg you to stay, yeah.
I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I follow you through the dark, can't get enough. You're the medicine and the pain, the tattoo inside my brain. And maybe you know it's obvious. Lately everything's going cool.
Right now I'm shameless, screaming my lungs out for you. It's okay to be different, 'cause baby, so am I. And I don't wanna be somebody without your body close to me. Yeah, and if it wasn't you, I wouldn't want anybody close to me. Let's kill this love.
Do your thing, do your
Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's kill this love.
Hi, I'm Sarah Worsbid, head coach for the Crimsonettes, with my assistant coach Nicole Pizzola. We are presenting Isabella Zeller with the Miss Buck Trophy for representing our school with such grace this year. It is our pleasure to present her with this trophy for her excellent work as our Miss Buck this school year.
Thank you.
Great job, Isabella, and congratulations on all of your success as Miss Buck. Now we will begin the performance by Danielle Decker. Danielle is a 3-year member of the Book Club, Health Careers Club, Drama Club, and Chorus. She is also a member of the marching band, which she balances with her performances as feature twirler. Without further ado, Danielle Decker.
I just need to get it off my chest, yeah, more than you know, yeah, more than you know, yeah, more than you know.
If I lost insanity, why are you my party? And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share. This is why we're waiting for.
Don't you worry, child. See, Emma's got a plan for you.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, you shoot me down, but I won't go. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't go. I am titanium.
Wake me up when it's all over. When I'm higher and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I was lost.
It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. She sips a Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference anymore.
I wanna run away anywhere out this place. 'Cause you and I,
There ain't no reason to stay. We'd be like years away. We could just run them red lights. We could just run them red lights. I can feel your love pulling me up from the underground. I don't need my drugs. We could be more than just part-time lovers.
I'm losing it.
Amazing job, Danielle. To conclude our assembly, our current Miss Buck will lead our new Miss Buck around the field in the traditional MAME strut.
Coax the blues right out of the hole.
charm the husk right off of the corn. May
Outstanding job, girls. Once again, I would like to congratulate Danielle and wish her good luck with her duties as the newest Miss Buck. And thank you to Isabella, who has done a wonderful job representing our school as Miss Buck.